unboxing video for my fall FabFitFun box, which I've been waiting on. That is such a tongue twister. Fall FabFitFun. Yeah, I've been waiting for this to come. So excited because they never disappoint with any of their stuff. As I've told you guys, any of their boxes, I should say. As I told you guys before, it's a service that I pay for that's 4 times a year, so every season pretty much. And it's $49.99 per season. Each box has items that are equaling up to $250 or more. They never disappoint with their boxes, so every season you got something to look forward to. So yeah, I just got in my fall box and I have not opened it yet. There's some things in here that I actually got to choose. I'll tell you guys which ones. I think it's like 2 or 3 things I actually got to choose. The rest, I don't know what's in here. As I start to see people getting their fall boxes online and stuff, I try to like scroll past it because I didn't want to see it before I got mine. So now here I am unboxing it with you all. Another really cute thing is every box for every season, it's always decorated. So it's always a box pertaining to that particular season. So yeah, this one is the fall box, which is really, really cute. So when you open it, it always has some type of saying or something at the top of it inside of the box, as well as you'll get your FabFit Fall little magazine that comes with every box. And one of the things I really love about the magazines is they all have a recipe or 2, sometimes more in them. So I'd like to actually try those out. This sounds really good. Autumn apple cider grilla, which is probably a play on words, and it's probably for an apple type of margarita. That sounds good. I'm gonna have to try that. We actually got a coupon for Luna bars if I order them on Amazon, if I actually like the one I got in the box. I'm pretty sure there's one in here because they wouldn't have put this in the box, the coupon for it. All right, just as I thought, definitely a Luna bar in here. It's Luna Rica actually, and it's salted caramel nut. So I will definitely be trying this out. Okay, so this is one of the things that I actually chose. I knew this was gonna be in my box because you know, as you get closer to the time, as you get closer to the new season and the boxes are about to come out, they actually email you letting you pick, like I said, 2 or 3 things. So I knew I was gonna get this, and this is this little really, really cute umbrella. I think it's by Catherine Melandrino. And this can fit in my bag, and it's super girly, so this is so cute. I needed an umbrella that fits in my bag as well, so I'm glad I got that. All right, this was also something that I chose. You had a choice of like a coffee press or a teapot. I love both, but I'm more of a tea girl than I am a coffee girl. It's an Alfred stainless steel and ceramic steel teapot. It's about 20 ounces, so that's a good amount for me. All right, this is so cool because I can put the loose leaf tea right into this. Or you can use tea bags too. And you just put this piece in the middle with your hot water. Let that simmer. And you got some tea. And this is so cute and girly. I love it. I'm totally going to use this. Alright, keeping it in the kitchen. This is a kitchen towel by a company called Simply Whimsical. I stand corrected. It's 2 kitchen towels. Okay, so I'm so using this tonight. This is a facial exfoliant, and it is in pink grapefruit. Oh my gosh, I love the way grapefruit smells and how it naturally wakes you up. And by the way, for all my candle people, I always keep a grapefruit candle in my home office because grapefruit, that scent, it actually, I think any citrus, I think it could be an orange candle, all the citruses, maybe lemon, maybe lime, but I usually use grapefruit. That has been known to keep you productive, so I always do a grapefruit candle. This is a shower gel by a company called Skin & Co. The scent is Blue and Capri. Blue and Capri, the Italian collection, which also says limited edition on it. Alright, I got 2 bubble sheet facial masks by Glam Glow in here. And they have green tea in them, so that's also good for your skin. Alright, we made it to the makeup portion of this FabFitFun box. Alright, we got a beauty blender from the original Beauty Blender company. So they're the ones who started all this beauty blender craze that we're all going through right now. We have some lipstick by a company called Touch in Soul. It's a metalist liquid foil lipstick duo. I'm so ready to try that one because it just sounds fun. Like, I want to know like the finish, what it's gonna look like on my lips. And I have it in the number 2, which is Penny. Alright, this is my last thing, also having to deal with makeup. Also something that I got to choose, so I guess I chose 3 things in this box. This is by Crown Pro. I got a 6-piece pro makeup brush set. Look at these, they're so pretty. Alright, the test is always if, you know, with new brushes, how soft are they? We had 2 different colors to choose from. So I chose the black and the rose gold. So you can see the rose gold where it says Crown at the bottom. I like how it has this groove right here for your finger for when you're applying your makeup. And as far as the brush goes, guys, it is very soft and pretty. Alright guys, that's it for my fall FabFitFun unboxing video. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, follow, and subscribe.